Good morning to everybody. My name is Michele Vigano. I'm the product manager for the traditional machine for the Faema groups, and I'm very appreciated to present you this new machine for the Faema brand. This machine is the new machine that is E71. Our idea is to launch in the next year this new machine in order to create an emotional feedback for in the market, in order to relaunch the brand of Faema. An important feature of this machine is an important recall in terms of design from the historical E61 of the Faema and the new E71 that recall in some line and some design the historical line of this machine. Thanks to the collaboration with our partner in the design, it's Giugiaro Design, we decide to create a new line of this machine. The new important feature of this machine is the new Faema thermical system that can manage the singular boiler with independent boiler with possibility to change the temperature directly from the machine, from the touch screen. And thanks to this important feature, we can manage from our patented system the infusion of the extraction. Thanks to this feature, using the lever that stays on the top of the group, you can set in the first step the infusion time that it can measure by the barista from his hand. Then, in the second step, can start the pump at 9 bar, and the barista, when decide that the coffee is perfect, can stop with the lever. Its important feature is that at the same time, into the display touch, there is 4 push buttons that it can set for the recipe setting by the barista in the previous session. So, when the barista has to work very fast, he can take the coffee from the grinders, arrive to the group head, and press, and can start again with another one. If he's relaxed and he wants to present his coffee to the customer that stay or in front or in the normal situation, can take the coffee from the grinders, then can arrive and start to control all the process of the machine. Start the infusion, check with the eyes when there is the first drop, and can start to delivery for the coffee. Then stop and can serve the coffee to the customer. This is an important feature where there is the dual mode, lever and touchscreen situation. All the working area is illuminated by the light on the back in order to create an important area where the barista can work normally. And another feature is the new steam wand. It's a cold touch where the barista can manage the steam in a very easy and safety situation. An important feature for the steam wand is at the beginning of the extraction, the froth can press, purge the humidity, then can start in 2 positions, 50%, 100% of the power. It can manage the froth in the best way. It's important, it's the height of this machine, it's only 48 centimeters, and in this situation the barista can stay in front of the customer and can talk with the customer concerning the blend that is working, and it can create a relationship between the barista and the customer, talking about the coffee. The deep tray is it's important deep tray, then it's easy to remove and to clean under the machine in order to guarantee every time the cleaning of the machine. The cup surface is very big, and it's really possible to have a lot of cups in order to have the right performance during the work of the barista during the normal day, and it's completely interesting. Have an important understand it's to have a different temperature for the hot water. So if you have a menu of tea, you are able to manage the different temperature of the hot water in order to create the right temperature for each different tea solution. And all the other feature is important because we are ready to launch in the next year this machine, and we want to create an important instruction for the final customer in order to understand very well the important feature of the infusion, and at the end of the next year we are ready to launch the same machine with the pressure profile control that can manage during all the extraction the different pressure of the different phase of extraction, thanks to use the lever or use the touch screen in order to set the different pressure during the extraction. All the other features will be available in the next month thanks to the site web that we create. It's e71faema.it that can explain to the final customer and the roaster what is the different features that we want to present to the market in the next year. So following this site web, you are every time informed about the news that we are able to present to the final customer. So I'm very happy for this interview, and I hope it's clear, and it will be really appreciated to visit our site web and our company to understand very well this new machine. Thank you very much.